Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Kensen 5D head shaver. So let's get to it. So I got this a few days ago. I'm excited. It came really fast after I ordered it. So I'm going to open up the box here. And this is a 3-in-1 electric shaver with floating heads. So it's great quality at a great price. So I'm going to open up the box here and see what we have. And this is a Type-C, has a Type-C fast charging charger with it, okay? And it's supposed to be actually waterproof also. So I'm opening it up here, take it out, see what we got here. Comes real securely packed. Let me see here, let me turn it around so you guys can see, so nothing falls out. This is what we got. Manual in the back there. Okay, I'm gonna take that out and put that down. Also, this is the Type-C fast charger that it comes with. It's pretty standard, okay? And also there's a little bag here. This has all the hair clipper, guide combs, excuse me. And let's open it up and see what we got. Okay. All right, so we got one. We have three of them. I have one here. This is say the size, but this is 5mm. This one, okay, it's a 5mm, and this is a 3mm, and this is a 7mm. Okay, and then you have the little brush here. This little brush that can use to clean the hair out of the shaver. Okay, so next we're opening up the case here, and we have a nose trimmer that it comes with. Actually, it's really great. Okay, and you have it's a hair clipper that you can attach to it. All right. And also the shaver itself. Here comes the grand finale, the shaver itself. So, taking out of the package. It's a beautiful shaver. I like the sleek design. Okay, let's turn it on and see what happens here. All right, so one thing I like about this, it's easy and comfortable. Very smooth, okay? I like that. So I'm gonna try a little bit on my head here to see how it feels. You know, this is 8,500 RPMs, okay? This is fast, it's a fast charger, it charges fast. Also, it definitely feels powerful. So this is 97% charged, it's already came 97% charged. Try it on my head here. Very smooth, very strong. I'll go a little closer. I don't have that much hair right now, but definitely I can feel it. You can feel the smoothness here. And you also use this on your head and also on your face. So, feels really good. This is waterproof, so you can take this in the shower, guys, too. Great quality at a great price. And actually I can feel a difference when I don't know if you can see it as close that I can, but my camera's in 4K. Trying to get a closer shave, but I definitely feel it is on my head. You know? It's very smooth. And charges really fast. So 5D head shaver, sleek design, okay? So this is the Kensen Series S28. So I'll definitely put the link in my description, link in my bio. Check it out. Hopefully you can grab one and enjoy and let it get the job done and have a comfortable shaving experience. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description. And I definitely love to hear from you and see what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and hope to see you again soon.